What's up guys, welcome to Tommy RC. Today I'm going to show you the FMS new products. Now this is a 1/24 crawlers. Look at it, the licensed Chevrolete key file. Now this is called the key file blazers. So beautiful. By the way, it's a hard bodies, and this is a small transmitters here. By the way, if you want to open the headlights, you should press the band buttons. No, there is no the channel 4 or some other buttons for the headlights. I think this is a mistake for FMS. By the way, this has a 3 gear, so it has low and high speed. The chassis are the same as former 112 chassis. By the way, the suspension is beautiful. Bounce, so soft, and even it has portal axles, the servo on the portals, hard bodies, so beautiful. The chrome front bumpers, grills, rear wheels, and rear bumpers. By the way, the FMS, it has some other stuffs. Look at this. You can even replace to these big front bumpers, and even you can put the roof rack. And it also has the roof support and some. You can change this to a pickup. Just move it. By the way, this small crawlers is so beautiful, stunning. Look at this shiny chrome wheels, and I think it even have foams in the tires because it has some support. And if you want to connect the batteries, you should just press these in the front and these two in the rear. So it just separated. So beautiful. Now thanks for watching.